Brought to you by JEGS.
Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for the 2011 through 2014 GM 2500HD and 3500HD pickups with a 6-liter gas engine. This catback dual tailpipe system features 3-inch mandrel-bent tubing, a 50 Series HD muffler with patented Delta Flow technology, and is finished off with big, beautifully polished stainless steel tips. The system also includes a choice of exit styles: dual out the sides and dual out the rear. As an American Thunder system, it will typically produce a moderate to aggressive interior and exterior sound level with a deep performance tone.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.